In this video, we're going to install SQL Express. This can be obtained from Microsoft Download, or you can go to Netaphor.com, and in the download section, we have right here Microsoft SQL Server Express 2016. You can expand this and download it here. This is a much easier install for those who don't have experience installing SQL. Basically, you run it and it'll install the default settings that are needed. So this is recommended unless you're a SQL DB admin or have installed SQL before, to just go ahead and install it from this package. So it is a zip file, so the first thing you'll do is you'll extract it. So we'll extract all this software here. Don't need this anymore. Okay, so once it's installed, there's two things in here. It comes with a .NET, uh, .NET installer and SQL Express. If it's not needed, it won't install it, but let's just go ahead and click the setup here. And this is one thing that I'll just see if you notice here. Here's our, just have to say accept, and it starts installing. So there should be no configuration the end user has to perform here. Okay, that's it. It has been installed. So let's just take a look at our services. We can confirm that it's running. We look under services. Here we see SQL Express. And it does say that it's running, and note that it's set, the startup type set to automatic, so anytime the machine reboots, SQL Server Express will automatically be running. Now this is installed for Windows, using Windows Authentication. If you wanted mixed mode authentication where it can use both SQL Authentication and Windows Authentication, then we would need to run a script against this database to enable that. And we'll do that in a future video when we connect SiteAudit to a database. But essentially that's it. The SQL Server Express is installed and ready for SiteAudit.